Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can use Odoo Runbot, so let's get right into it. Now, Runbot is pretty much a service which is used to access either past or future, still not developed fully versions of Odoo. And you can use it to test out any functionalities you might want. Now, when you go to the site, which is runbot.odoo.com, this is where you're gonna end up. This is R&D, which is research and development, and here you can see any versions of Odoo which you might want to use. Here you can see the master build, which you can access with several versions of it. You also have SaaS 18.2, 18.1, 18.0, and any previous Odoo versions. And then you can select whichever version you want to run by clicking on any of these blue buttons. You can either use the community version or the enterprise version, so it's completely dependent on you. So for example, let's take 17.0 and let's test out the enterprise version. So once I click on the blue button here, it'll open up that Odoo installation, and here you can sign in, and let me go ahead and try to sign in to my Odoo account. And once I do, it should log me in. Whoops, wrong password it looks like. And it looks like I can't log in with my account, at least not on here, but you can try logging in with odoo.com. And let's see, there we go. And let me try again. Verify as human, sign in, and this again doesn't sign me in. Most likely I forgot my password, but it doesn't matter. But yeah, you can pretty much just choose whichever installation or version you would like, and then you'll be able to access it once you log in and pretty much search through all the functionalities that were well within that version of Odoo. And yeah, that's pretty much it. You can also, as I mentioned, search for versions that aren't officially launched yet, and those are under the red banner. Those under green are fully released and working. However, those that are red still haven't been tested fully and still haven't been confirmed to work. But yeah, that is pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.